Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aiden.
And we are here preparing for the last class of the year. Can you believe it?
No.
We did it last week. He's a pro. I literally cannot set these up without him. And we've got it all ready. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we're offering during the class. And then we're going to try our best to record some of the segments during today's lessons so that we can share it with all of you who live too far away and aren't able to be here for these in-person experiences. So here's our registration table. And of course, books are available for sale. And the class includes free seed packs and garlic, Prunus mume seedlings, and castor bean seeds. We've got some really cool seeds available. Here is the Renza Bruzi rye. And this is like the perfect amount for 2 normal sized containers to grow all winter. We've got open pollinated bread seed poppies. This covers about 500 square feet. We've got the mixed cottage garden that includes all of these different plants: cilantro, wheat, bachelor buttons, daikon radish, and larkspur. This covers about 160 square feet. And then we've got barley, wheat, and triticale. Triticale is really cool. It's a hybrid of wheat and rye together. And again, these are the perfect size for 2 normal sized pots to basically grow the grains as the thriller element. It wouldn't be Southern Hospitality if we didn't include drinks and snacks. We've got mimosas, champagne, sparkling rosé, red wine, and various very refreshing sparkling waters. And then let's give them a sneak peek of our snacks. I'm really excited about the giant fruit tray. So we've got some hummus and chips. We've got some dried snacks there. And then we've got this delicious fruit tray. A friend of mine from Instagram actually sent me these dragon fruit this week. And I'm so excited to offer them as a snack today. Nice and refreshing. And set up here is our demonstration table. I have some really cool things I want to show. I'm going to show how you can directly seed in a bag of soil cube. That's the 1 cubic foot bag. We're also going to top dress this summer container. You can see we didn't pull out the roots of anything. We're just going to top dress in here and direct seed with grains. We're also going to do a demonstration using this small root pouch. Just going to fill it with some veggie mix from Soil Cube and do a poppy planting in here. And then, of course, I've got some of my favorite products to recommend. My favorite fertilizer, hands down, is this Dr. Earth 463. My favorite animal repellents, I Must Garden. If you haven't used this, you really need to give it a try. It works really well. I've got some insect solutions, including diatomaceous earth, BT, and insecticidal soap. And we're also going to talk about dormant oil, which I spray in this handy container. And then, of course, we have my magical basket of seeds, which the class are going to take around. We're going to walk all over the garden, and they're going to scatter them in different areas. So I'm pretty excited for the class to start. Are you?
Me too. Yeah.
He's the best helper, you guys. Like, well, you're set up to be teaching these classes anyway, so this can be his side business. So, all right, we're like a half an hour down. We have one person waiting in their car. She could totally come out and drink a mimosa. But I'm excited. It's a beautiful day.
It is. It's really nice out.
I've recovered from the flu. The flu came back to me 2 weeks later, and I've been sick as a dog for the last couple of days. But I'm feeling much better. It's great to be outside in the sun. And it's going to be awesome.
It will.
All right. Stay tuned to see what we get accomplished in today's and our final class of 2022, Cottage Gardening from Seed. Hi, YouTube. Wait, show everybody else. Okay, we're doing the really easy, the first step, how to grow poppies in a bag of Soil Cube. Right? Now, my recommendation would be to put the Soil Cube into a pot that's pretty. But if you don't want to go through that step, you can keep it in the bag. And you're literally just going to scatter the seeds just like that. So you can see how many seeds are still left. That was a tiny amount of seeds. I think these packets cover about 500 square feet.
Oh my God.
Now, the critical component, don't do anything else to it. Don't touch it. Don't mess the seeds up. They have to stay right on the surface in order to germinate. Poppies need light. So you can't cover them up. You just leave them be. You don't even have to water it because this has enough moisture in it. So that's it. I mean, it's very anticlimactic. So now we have another really like hurt your brain, so easy to do thing. We've got a pot that was planted for summer, and it had a tomato and some coleus and some plectranthus, I don't know, some random stuff, right? So you see, we didn't pull out, we're not taking out the soil, we're not removing those roots. All those plants are annuals. All those roots are just gonna turn into organic matter, right? No need to waste what's already in this pot. All we're gonna do, I'm gonna top dress with this because I've got it conveniently located. We're gonna add a couple inches of the veggie mix, just like that. No one will even know that all those roots are in the bottom. And I think we should do this, okay, I think we should do this with my favorite lettuce, right? Well, you guys tell me what we should do it with, because we can literally do it with anything. The sky is the limit. There are no limitations to what you can do in a pot.
The dragon lettuce, or what was it called? Dragon lettuce?
The wildfire
Wow,
lettuce.
tall.
Oh, the dinosaur kale.
Yeah, dinosaur.
Dinosaur kale. All right.
Dinosaur kale.
Okay, let me find the dinosaur kale. Where did I put it? Oh, here it is. All right. Look, this was also free seed from Baker Creek. You gotta love it. I do love when they send me free seed. My favorite thing from Baker Creek are the cream sausage tomatoes. They are the best tomatoes of all time, by the way. All right, all we're gonna do, literally scatter them right on top. Now with these, note with the poppies, I'm not gonna put fertilizer on because the fertilizer will cover the seeds. The seeds need light to germinate. But lettuce and kale, these things aren't sensitive like that. So I'm gonna mix that fertilizer in and scatter the seeds just like that. And now it'll germinate. Just move it to where you want it to go. We'll probably be lazy and put it right here in the driveway. I've got a hose adjacent, and that's the thing for winter containers. YouTube, this is also important. Put your pots where it's convenient to keep them watered, because you will have to water them, and dragging hoses when it's cold out isn't any fun. The hoses are stiff and it's not great. And just put them somewhere where it's easy. Like we've got like a 10-foot hose here. So it doesn't stretch very far, but it never gets like so hard to deal with. I am not gonna carry water in a watering can. I have set myself up to fail one too many times on that front. I'm just gonna be honest with myself. Accept what you're capable of doing and make it convenient, because then you'll actually enjoy it. And I don't want this to ever feel like a chore. And so right outside of the kitchen, I walk out here every day to get to the car, to go to the mailbox. These are the plants that get the best care because I put my eyeballs on them every single day. So those are the places that you want to concentrate in growing in.